neutralization reaction. It's a reaction where an acid reacts with a base in order to form a salt and water. As you know, acid is a chemical compound which ionizes in an aqueous medium to release H plus ions into the aqueous medium. Base is a chemical compound which ionizes in an aqueous medium to release OH minus ions into the aqueous medium. So if you talk about an acid like HCl, it will be ionized in the aqueous medium to release H plus ions to the aqueous medium and the corresponding minus negative ions into the aqueous medium. And if you talk about a base like sodium hydroxide, it will get ionized in the aqueous medium to release OH minus ions and also corresponding plus ions, positive ions to the aqueous medium. So if these two gets reacted, the H plus ions released by the acid gets reacted with the OH minus ions released by the base to form a water molecule. So the water formed here is neutral, and the remaining positive and the negative ions in the solution, the aqueous medium will get combined together to form the salt. So here the salt produced will be NaCl. As you can see, for the formation of the salt, the positive ions and the negative ions in the aqueous medium got combined. So the salt produced here is an ionic compound, and this was the acid, HCl was the acid, and sodium hydroxide was our base. So keep it in your mind, during a neutralization reaction, the H plus ions released by the acid reacts with OH minus ions released by the base to form water molecules, and the remaining plus and negative ions, positive and negative ions in the aqueous medium combines to form the salt. These neutralization reactions, these acid-base reactions are exothermic reactions. So when they take place, they release heat to the external environment.